Hello everyone. So today we have 8 to the power of s minus 2 all equals to 48. So let's solve together by saying solution. So our equation a to the power of x minus 2 is given to be equal to 48. But from the laws of exponents, if we have a to the power of m minus n, is same thing as a to the power of m over a to the power of n. So we apply it here, so that our equation will therefore be a to the power of x all over 8 to the power of 2. This is equal to 48. And here, we can write this over 1 so that when we cross multiply, the next line will therefore become 8 to the power of x equals to 48 times 8 to the power of 2. So this is 8 to the power of x equals to 48 times 64. 8 to the power of 2 is 64. So if we take log to be extended on both sides, it will therefore become log 8 to the power of s equals to log 48 times 64. And we are fine. So but log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So the next line becomes log 8 to the power of s is equals to log 48 plus log 64. But log a to the power of s is represented as s log a. So the power comes down to multiply the log, so that the next line will become x log 8 is equal to log 48 plus log 64. At this point, we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is log 8x over log 8 over log 8 over log 8 in separate fractions. So here, log 8 can cancel out log 8. It will be 1. 1 times s will be s. This will be equals to log 48 all over log 8 plus log 64 all over log 8. But 64 can be written as 8 to the power of 2, and 48 also can be splitted into 8 times 6, so that the next line therefore will become s equals to log 8 times 6 all over log 8 plus log 8 to the power of 2 over log 8. So if you do this very well, we're going to have s equals to log 8 over log 8 plus log 6 over log 8 plus 2 log 8 over log 8. The power comes down. Here, log 8 will cancel out. Log 8 will cancel out. So the next line, s will be equal to, here we have 1. Log 8 divided by log 8 is 1 plus log 6 all over log 8 plus 2. But 6 can be written as 2 times 3, and 8 can be written in an index form as 2 to the power of 3, so that s can be equals to 1 plus 2 is 3 plus log 2 times 3 over log 2 to the power of 3. So here s is equal to 3 plus log 2 over log 2. Okay, the power comes down at 3 log 2 plus log 3 over 3 log 2. And we are verifying. So this can be written as s equals to 3 plus 1 over 3 log 2 over log 2 plus 1 over 3 log 3 all over log 2. So if we simplify further, we're going to have s to be equal to 3 plus, here log 2 cancels out to be left 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. S will be equals to, if we take the LCM, this will be 9 plus 1 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. S will be equals to 10 all over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2. Since the LCM is the same, the final answer for S can therefore be equals to 10 plus log 3 base 2 all over 3. So this is the value of S that can satisfy the equation, but to check if it is true, we can therefore verify. So from our original equation, a to the power of s minus 2 equals to 48. So in place of s, we introduce this value so that it becomes 8 to the power of 10 plus log 3 base 2 all over 3, close the bracket, minus 2. Could it be equal to 48? And first, we're going to take the LCM as 8. The LCM here is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 times the whole of this becomes 10 plus log 3 base 2 minus, here is over 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 2, that is 6. Could it be equals to 48? So if you do this very well, we're going to have 8 to raise to power 10 minus 6, that is 4, plus log 3 base 2 all over 3. Can this be equal to 48? But 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 times 4 plus log 3 base 2 over 3. Want to prove if this is actually equals to 48. So here, 3 can cancel out 3 to be left with 2 to the power of 4 plus log 3 base 2. I want to show if this is equal to 48. But a to the power of m plus n is same thing as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So therefore we can write as 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Can actually this be equal to 48? But a log b base a is equal to b. So the base number cancels the log to the base. A equals to b. So here, 2 cancels out log to base 2, which is 1. What is left here will be 2 to the power of 4 times 3. Can we have this to be 48? And 2 to the power of 4 is 16 times 3. Can this be 48? Of course, 16 times 3, that is 48, is equals to 48. And this is our final proof. That means the value of s as 10 plus log 3 to base 2 all over 3 is actually true because it satisfies the equation. How? Because the right hand side, if actually equal to the left hand side when we substituted it in the original equation. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.